In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can view your transaction history for each of your stock or ETF position in Charles Schwab. So for example, if you purchase a share of Apple last year, you want to find that transaction, right? So when you log into your account, you want to go to Positions. Under Position Details, look to your far right where you see the little menu icon. Expand that and select Transactions. When you scroll down, you'll see all the transactions for the stock that you have made. To switch the position, all you need to do is change the symbol here. So let's search for MSFT and hit search. And you can see again, these are all my transaction and Microsoft stock. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.